how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is a full body at-home workout, plus I'm going to show you what I had today to eat. It's plant-based lifestyle and this is day 6 of the 7-day plant-based challenge for January. So this is a full body workout. I did it here in my garage. You don't need any equipment. The only thing that I used was a pull-up bar. If you don't have a pull-up bar or if you can't do pull-ups, then you can do this in your living room. Just put your legs underneath your kitchen table and grab the end of the kitchen table and you can do pull-ups like that. So this is 4 different moves. In between each move, you're gonna wanna take about a minute to minute and a half rest. So I'm just gonna show you the 4 moves. You can do as many rounds of this as you want. I did 3 rounds and then I'm gonna show you what I ate today. So here it is. So make sure you do a warm-up before you start the workout. Okay, so the first move of the 4 moves is going to be a pull move. Now on this example, I did a pull-up crunch. This might be too advanced for some people, so you can start with regular pull-ups. You can do the pull-ups on the end of your table, and I'm going to link a video here on variations of pull-ups, so you can check out all different ways you can do pull-ups. You could work your way up to something like this, something a little more advanced than just regular pull-ups or doing pull-ups from the chair, which are the easiest kind, or some sort of assisted pull-up. So we're doing 4 moves here, and each round you can vary it up. So the first move is going to be a pull move. So just pick a pull move and do that for the first exercise of the round. The second exercise of the round are these Spiderman Push Ups. Again, this move is a little more advanced. So if this is too much, you could do regular push-ups. You could also do push-ups from your knees. And again, I'm going to link a video here on variations of different push-ups. So for the second move of the round, you just pick your favorite push move or any push move you want to do, whatever's at your level, and you can work from that. These are Spider-Man push-ups where you go down and then you have a knee come to the elbow and back up. You go down, knee to the elbow and back up. So this is really working the core, upper body, the chest, the arms. I like doing moves that work a whole bunch of different body parts. It's really efficient and you can do a full workout in around 20 minutes. You don't have to spend hours in the gym. You can do this stuff at home. It's super simple. So you're going to want to take a minute to a minute and a half rest in between each of these moves. Okay, the third move is a lunge squat lunge. Now as you can see, I'm jumping in between each of these. It makes it a little harder. If that's too much or you don't have good knees, you can just do a step or a skip. So depending on what level you're at and how far you want to push it, you can do jumping, you can do skipping, you can just step, however you want to do that. And you want to do these until you burn it out. So you could do somewhere probably between 10 and 20 reps. So 1 rep would be a lunge, squat, and a lunge. That'd be 1 rep. So if you do 10 of these, it would be like 30 moves basically. And I think I did 15 reps of this, so it's about 45 movements. And that was good with the jumping. Good cardio too. The 4th move of the workout is a core move. And these are sort of plank knee to elbows. I'm not sure what these are called. I kind of made these up. So these are going to really work the core. Just go to a plank on your forearms, and then what I do is I kind of walk forward and then put a knee to elbow, then walk back a couple little steps and then knee to the elbow, and just keep repeating that until you burn out pretty much. So this is something that most people can probably do this, just depending on how many you can do. You can work at it and see where you can get. So those are the 4 main type of moves. I got a pull, a push, a leg, and a core. And I did 3 rounds of that. After the workout, I'm showing you what I had for the entire day. Now, I do practice intermittent fasting, so I didn't start consuming any of this juice until noon. And this is day 6 of the 7-day plant-based challenge, and I decided to do another juice day. I did a juice day on day 1, and I was ready to do another juice day. So day 6, I'm doing juice. I have 7 liters of juice here. Now, a lot of this is fresh squeezed, is fresh juice that I made at my house. So I'm going to go from left to right, and this is the order that I'm having it for the day. So on the far left, I have a liter of orange juice. Then I have, I believe it's 15 ounces of this almond date water, which is essentially almonds, dates, and water. and some sea salt. The third from the left is a liter of celery, cucumber, apple juice. So it's like a green juice. Then towards the middle there, I have a liter of coconut water. That was just something I bought from the store. Then after the coconut water, I have a liter of grapefruit apple juice. So I've never tried that before, but I heard it was good, so I'm going to try it out. It's grapefruit and apple. Then I have a liter of coconut water. Then I have another liter of orange juice. Then I have another 15 ounces of the almond date sea salt water. So that was it for the day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos on a plant-based lifestyle, intermittent fasting. I have recipes, workout routines. Check it all out. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.